Namaskar to all of you. I am Dr. Pallavi Jain from School of Computing Science and Engineering from Galgotia University. In the series, now I will discuss about random scan system display technology. Its course prerequisites are knowledge of mathematics. We should have the knowledge of mathematics and fundamental knowledge of computer and computer languages. So, in this overview of graphics system, we have studied about graphics information, video display devices, raster scan system. Now the turn comes to random scan system. In random scan system, this is also called vector. Vector, stroke writing or calligraphic displays. Vector means small line. Vector or stroke writing means drawing a small line. Okay, so random scan system uses an electron beam which we have studied in the CRT, which operates like a pencil to create a line image on the CRT. This image is constructed out of a sequence of straight lines. Uh, just like when we draw some image, when we start to draw some apple, suppose. So we have taken the pencil and started to draw a small curve, then large curve, then round, then uski its leaf and all. So in sequence. Okay, so just like that, random scan system uses an electron beam which operates like a pencil to create a line image on the CRT. Each line segment is drawn on the screen by directing the beam, yani electron beams, to move from one point on the screen to the next, where each point is defined by its x and y coordinates. After drawing the picture, the system cycles back to the first line, okay, and design all the lines of the picture 30 to 60 times each second. That was the speed of writing something or drawing something, 30 to 60 times each second. When operand when operated as a random scan display unit, a CRT has the electron beam directed only to the parts of the screen where a picture is to be drawn. So, if we refer to the picture, now refresh rate on a random scan system depends on the number of lines to be displayed. Okay, set of number of lines to be displayed. Now this is the structure, how to draw an image, how to draw the lines or any image on the screen in random scan system. So the component lines of a picture can be drawn and refreshed. So just like we draw with pen or paper, just like it we draw on the random scan system according to our figure. So the architecture of random scan system is just like the random raster scan, in which between the system memory and monitor, this is display processor to control the uh, video. Random scan displays are designed to draw all the component lines of a picture 30 to 60 times per second. So this is the basic structure around that, uh, where we draw an image of cattle here. So this is the line base, drawing the line base picture here. What is the basic difference between raster scan and render scan system? So first difference is based on the resolution. In raster scan, it has poor or less resolution because picture definition is stored as a intensity value. In random scan system, it has a high resolution because it is based on the set of line commands. Now electron beam, it is directed from in the raster scan which we have studied in last lecture. It is directed from top to bottom, one row at a time on the screen. But electron beam is directed to whole screen. On the other hand, in random scan system, it is directed to put that part of the screen where picture is required to be drawn. Yani one line at a time, so also called vector display. Vector means small line. Cost, if we take the cost, it is raster scan system is less expensive and random scan system is costlier than raster scan system. In refresh rate, in raster scan, it is 60 to 80 frames per second, and in random scan system, it is 30 to 60 lines frames per second. Picture definition, it is stored picture definition in refresh buffer or frame buffer, and in random scan system, it stores picture definition as a set of line commands called refresh display file. Line drawing, uh, in the context of line drawing in raster scan system, zigzag line is produced because plotted value are discrete. The zigzag line because of vertical and horizontal retrace. And in random scan system, a smooth line is produced because directly the line path is followed by the electron beam. Realism in display, it contains in raster scan, it contains shadow, advanced shading and hidden surface techniques to gives the realistic display of scenes. And in random scan, it does not contain shadow and hidden surface techniques, so it cannot give realistic display of scenes. Image drawing, it uses pixels. In raster scan we use pixels, and in random scans it is designed for the line drawing applications. This is the example, raster versus random scan system, which we have cleared about. In random scan there is a line drawing because of, just like we draw with pen or pencil, we can use the basic difference by this figure. Thanks and have a nice day.